it's supposed to feel.
select it, and it will tell you once it is done. So, and it is right in front of your screen. So you can download applications, any application which you have been using in your cell phone. First you need to sign in the same Apple ID, and it will require your password, and it will again ask for the confirmation, but it didn't ask because we have already done the confirmation for this system. So we have successfully logged in to the Apple Store, and I can download all the applications, many things related to this, and we can now close this App Store. So now we are on the main screen. You can see there's a Finder button, there's a Launchpad. If you click on the Launchpad, all the applications come together on the screen. If you click again, it will disappear. And then there is Safari browser and messages, and then mail. You can add your emails. Here you have all the options. You can add your email IDs here, and they all will be appearing here. And then there is a Maps, Apple Map, and Photos, and FaceTime, Calendar, Contacts, Reminders, Notes, and then Videos. Set it as never start the screensaver, because I don't like it. If you like, you can change the setting. So here we are done with the manual setup of MacBook Pro M1. Look at the keyboard. You can see a little difference in the keyboard, which usually we have in Dell and other laptops, and here it has a function key instead of the control key, and there is a control button. But if you want to, like for example, if you want to copy paste something, we use Control and V to paste something, but here we will use Command and V to paste something. So similarly here in MacBook, control button is replaced with the command button. So if we want to copy something, it will be command C. Press the command and press C. If we want to paste something, it will be command V. And so every key, shortcut key, will be included by this command button. And then you can see a language change button, then there is escape button and some numerics and alphabets and all that. That's our MacBook Pro. And in the package, I already told you, we have a charger, a cable, and a mini helping notebook. That's all from here, and we are going. I hope this help you to understand how to set up the MacBook Pro and what it looks like when you open unpack MacBook Pro. So if you enjoy the video, and if you have got some informative material from this video, please subscribe the channel and do share with your friends and family. Bye bye from Dr. GR.